Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce body fat percentage. Achieving a lower body fat percentage is a journey that requires a balanced approach, focusing on sustainable habits rather than quick fixes. We'll explore how modifying your diet, exercise routine, and overall lifestyle can lead to effective and lasting changes. The key is to create a consistent, moderate calorie deficit, ensuring your body taps into stored fat for energy and promotes overall well-being. Nutrition plays a crucial role in reducing body fat. Prioritize a high-protein diet, aiming for 10 to 35% of your daily calories from protein, which helps preserve muscle mass and boosts metabolism. Incorporate plenty of fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to enhance fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. Limit processed foods and sugary drinks, opting for whole, nutrient-dense options, and at least 100 ounces of water daily. Exercise is essential for burning calories and building muscle, which in turn helps reduce body fat. Incorporate strength training at least 2 times per week to build lean muscle, as muscle burns more calories at rest. Aim for 150 to 300 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise, like brisk walking or cycling, weekly. Additionally, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, can be very effective for burning calories in shorter bursts. Beyond diet and exercise, lifestyle factors significantly impact body fat reduction. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as poor sleep can affect hormones that regulate appetite and fat storage. Managing stress levels is also vital, as high cortisol can promote abdominal fat. Remember, consistency across all these areas is the most powerful tool for achieving and maintaining a lower body fat percentage over the long term.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.